In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on DRM in the Google Chrome browser, step by step, so you can make sure protected content plays properly on streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video. DRM, or Digital Rights Management, is what helps websites protect copyrighted video and music content. And if it's turned off, some streams may not work the way they should. So if you've been running into playback issues, this simple setting change can help. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dot menu. From there, click Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page where you can control different browser features and permissions. Next, in the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. This area is where Chrome manages website permissions, content access, and protected media settings. Now scroll down until you see Additional Content Settings. Click that section and then choose Protected Content IDs. This is the part of Chrome that controls DRM permissions for websites that need to play licensed or protected content. On this page, you should see the option Sites can play protected content. Turn that on. If you also see the option Sites can use identifiers to play protected content, go ahead and enable that as well. These settings allow supported websites to verify playback and deliver DRM protected video and audio correctly. Once those options are turned on, you're almost done. To make sure the changes fully take effect, close Google Chrome completely and then reopen it. Restarting the browser helps Chrome apply the new settings properly. After that, try opening your streaming service again and check if the protected content now plays without any issues. If it still doesn't work, double check that the settings are enabled and that your browser is fully updated. And that's it. You've now turned on DRM in Google Chrome browser. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials just like this one.